The DART mission. Space debris just became humanity's new superpower. What started as NASA's most ambitious planetary defense experiment turned into the discovery that could save our planet from extinction. On September 26, 2022, the DART spacecraft slammed into asteroid Dimorphos at breakneck speed, traveling 370 million kilometers from Earth to execute what many called humanity's first real-life superhero moment. But here's where everything went beautifully wrong. Instead of the predicted tiny 73-second orbital shift, something absolutely mind-blowing happened that left scientists speechless and completely rewrote the rules of planetary defense. The double asteroid redirection test wasn't just about proving we could hit a cosmic rock the size of a football stadium. This was our species taking its first serious swing at playing cosmic billiards, testing whether we could actually nudge a potentially dangerous asteroid off course before it ruins everyone's day. Launched back in November 2021, DART had one job: crash into Dimorphos, the smaller moon orbiting the larger asteroid Didymos, and see what happens when human engineering meets ancient space rock. Scientists expected a gentle nudge, a small proof of concept that might buy us some confidence for future planetary threats. What they got instead was a masterclass in cosmic physics that exceeded their wildest calculations and fundamentally changed how we think about defending Earth from asteroid impacts.